what I did different this time is I added less, and I actually made it like into a little square. So as soon as the CPU heatsink will sit on it, it'll spread it out. Sorry, I had a little brain freeze there. Alright, well, I'm gonna put this back, and that's how you apply thermal paste. If you have any questions or comments, even if I did this wrong, you can comment on it. I have been successful with this, and I have actually downloaded a program called SMC Fan Control, and what it does is it tells you the temperature, of your CPU and GPU. So you guys can download that. It'll also be in the description down below. Feel free to subscribe. That'll definitely help me out. And if you like this video, you can also comment and throw a thumbs up. I'm actually going to do the same thing here for the video GPU. Post that also. Alright, hope you guys enjoy the video, and hopefully it'll be of some help.